Hello guys, welcome to our today's tutorial. I'm going to show how to create dispersion effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. For this, I will use this image today. At first, I'll remove the background. So I'm selecting Quick Selection tool to select the hoodie man. I have to deselect some areas, so I am taking polygonal lasso tool and pressing Alt button from the keyboard and then creating a line over the edges. Now the selection is done. The edges are little rough, so we'll remove those by selecting Refine Edge tool, and I will increase the smart radius a little bit. Now it's perfect. Now I'll press Ctrl J from keyboard. This will make a new layer composition containing only the model. You can see the background is gone. I'm gonna need two layers. Now I will add a background. So I'm taking a new blank layer from the bottom and then taking gradient fill from adjustment layer. Okay, it's done. I have to move the model image to the right side a bit because we're gonna need the left side empty to create the dispersion effect. And I'm naming the second layer Liquify, as we're gonna add the Liquify filter to this layer. To do so, go to Filter from the top bar. Then choose Liquify. Make sure you have selected the Warp tool. Then paint over to stretch. Now we have to add negative layer mask to the Liquify layer. For doing this, you have to hold Alt key from the keyboard and then click on the layer mask from the bottom. Now the Liquify effect is hidden under the mask. You have to create a layer mask to the bottom layer also. Time to select the brush tool. Select the brush of your choice and paint over to create the effect. I'll have to rotate the brush. So I'm selecting Window from the top bar and then selecting Brush. You can see the pop-up box. We will rotate the brush from here. Now activate the layer mask of the top layer, adjust the brush size and paint over. Make sure your foreground color is black. Once you are satisfied with it, click on the Liquify layer, activate the negative layer mask. This time, make sure the foreground color is white. Now adjust the brush size and paint over again. Okay, the effect is created. You can see it. I will add a gradient map from the adjustment layer. And select the Velvet Orange preset. You can choose any other presets if you want. I am changing the blending mode to soft light and reducing the opacity. You can see the image is little colorful than before. I'll also adjust the brightness, levels, and exposure. You're gonna have to play with it a little bit until you're satisfied. I'm selecting these layers and pressing Ctrl G to make a group. You can toggle it on and off to see how it was before and now. I'll reduce the exposure a little bit. Okay, done. Our dispersion effect is completed. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E to make a new layer. Okay guys, now it's your time to practice. Let us know how did it go in the comment section. Please like, comment, share if you enjoy our video. Subscribe to our channel to get the tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.